Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you the easiest way to create a meme online using a tool called memeartisan.com. So this is memeartisan.com, and there are basically two ways to create a meme using this site. The first way is by finding a video directly on the site, and the second way is by importing videos from other sites such as Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook. So today I'm going to be creating a Bitcoin meme. So I'm going to search for videos using the keyword rich. All right, say I like this video here. I'm going to click on recaption. And what I can do here is actually remove the existing caption on the video and actually add my own caption. And just like that, I basically made a new meme with my own caption on it. And what's cool is I can even download this video by clicking here. Now with this download, I can upload this to Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform that allows videos. The second way is by finding a meme on a different site, such as Instagram. So on Instagram, I'm going to click copy link here. I'm going to go back to memeartisan, click on create, then paste a link in. And now the process is very similar. I can remove the existing caption and enter my own. And just like that, I've basically created another meme by importing from Instagram. And that's basically it. If I ever want to create a new meme, I can just search for different keywords and find other videos that people have already uploaded. But that's about it. This is probably the easiest way I've seen to create a meme online.